Zeb, not Zach. Good morning, guys. It's 10:30 na, and Zeb and I are gonna play. Eto, nagkaroon ako ng idea. Sabi ko, why not? I'm gonna do a video on toddler activities that we can do. So, hindi ko muna ipapakita sa'yo kasi it's gonna be a separate video. So, watch out for that. Okay, good morning. Happy Friday. Hey, guys. So, we're done with our activities for today. So, it's time to take a bath. Huh? You want to take a bath? Oh, nanguna na. Ay. So, yeah, that's how our day is going so far. Good morning again. Ang pawis ko na, oh. Can you see that? Hi. Hi. Tapos na kaming maligo. Aray po. Sige, hala. Sige. Yes. Yes. Oh! Anong gustong gawin ni Zeb? Want to sit down? Okay. I'm so wet, oh. Isa dahil sa milk and isa dahil binasa ako ni Zeb. Parang pinaliliguan ko siya. Now it's Zach's turn to take a bath. Cool. Aray ko. Meron akong dalawang film na toddler activity that I can include in the video, or that I will include in the video. So, yes, I'm excited for that. Hopefully by Monday, kasi bala ko gawin yan for the Mommy Monday video. So, yes. Yun lang. Yeah, paligo ako muna si Zach. Hey, it's only 1 o'clock and I already took a bath kasi hindi ko na kinakaya. Ano ko, tawag dyan, bumaba ang gata sa damit ko. Nabasa din kasi ako nung pinaliguan ko si Zeb. So, nalalagkit na talaga ako. So, I said, I'm gonna take a bath. And now, this one is sleepy. Kumakain pa si Zeb eh. Gutom na nga ako. Pero inintay ko siya matapos. And then, I'm gonna eat. And then, we're gonna take a nap. Hopefully, I can take a nap today. And, yun. Hindi pa rin mawawala sa isip ko yung mga dapat kong gawin. Siyempre, hindi talaga mawawala sa isip ko. So, papalapit na ng palapit ako'y kinakabahan na. Kaya, I better get my act together and do what I have to do. Super pressured. Anyway, so, papatay ko ng ilaw. I'll see you guys later. Hopefully, makapag-walk kami today. Guys, our ulam for today. Oh, talangka. Dami ko na naman nakain. May gulay. Guilty as charged. Ay, mali. We're trying to take a photo video pa rin nagawa ko.
Mama!
Yeah. Yeah, we're trying to take a nap. Lie down, close your eyes. Lie down, close your eyes. Si Kuya mapilit na itabi si baby eh. Ay, good luck naman. You have to take a nap so later we can play, okay? Oh no, what happened? Lie down, Kuya. Lie down, let's take picture. Come on. Hi. We're here sa fort. Wala naglalaro, himala. Hey! Come on. Die!
Kawawa naman yan. Anong ginawa dyan? Ha? Anong ginawa?
Thank you.
Anong pinalobat?
Yan nakita mo. Hi guys, we're back home. Kakatapos ka lang maligo. Again, for the second time. Wait, bakit foggy? Yon. For the second time. Pero hindi ko na binasa yung aking hair. Maligo lang ako because it's so hot. And Zeb is again playing with his, I call it shoot in the hole. Shoot in the hole. Shoot. Uh-oh. Okay. Wait lang.
Hello, Mr. Zach. Hello, Mr. Zach.
What are you doing, kuya?
Nya. Nya.
Ikaw sumisimple ka kanina dun sa girl, ha? So, you're having, actually, tapos na ako. Si Zebo lang. Cheese sticks and pineapple orange nandun. Tinatago ko kay Zeb. Kasi yung yellow ang kukunin nun. Hi! Ay, hi, kuya. Hi, baby! Hello! Adadadit! 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 I have two... I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Oh, 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 oh. One, two, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Huh? What a face! 1. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hi! Uh-oh! Zeb, hi! Uh-oh! Guys, we're gonna say goodnight. It's 8 o'clock and yeah, we're done with dinner. And yeah, ayan, mag-wrestling lang kami ni Zeb and si Zach there. So yun, thanks for watching! Say bye! Say bye, Zeb! Zeb! Zeb!